Today, I'm excited to share with you 5 fantastic websites where you can start earning money daily. The best part? These platforms don't cost a dime to join, and you don't need any prior experience to get started. So, let's dive right in and explore these opportunities together. First up is EnrollApp.com. Ever wished you could get paid for testing out apps and websites? Well, EnrollApp makes that a reality. Companies are willing to pay for your feedback on their digital products, and with over 600,000 tests already completed, there's plenty of opportunity. Whether it's providing insights on website usability or offering opinions on app design, these tests are quick and easy. Just sign up with your email, set a password, and start earning with EnrollApp today. Next on the list is Fope.com. If you're someone who loves snapping photos on your phone, why not turn that hobby into a source of income? Fope connects you with brands looking for authentic images for their marketing campaigns. With over 3,000 brands on board, there's no shortage of potential buyers for your best shots. Plus, with a 50-50 profit split, you can earn a decent income while doing what you love. So, grab your camera, sign up, and start monetizing your creativity on Fope. Moving on, we have TryMyUI.com. This platform pays you to test out website and app designs and provide valuable feedback. Your insights help companies improve user experiences, making your role crucial in the development process. With payouts of up to $10 for just 20 minutes of testing, it's a great way to earn extra cash in your spare time. Simply sign up and start sharing your thoughts on TryMyUI today. Another opportunity to make money in your downtime is through QMe. This platform rewards you for sharing your opinions and completing surveys straight from your phone. With no minimum cash out requirement and convenient payment options like PayPal and Venmo, it's easy to start earning on QMe. So whether you're waiting for the bus or lounging at home, put your spare time to good use and start making money with QMe. Last but not least, we have usertesting.com. As the name suggests, this platform pays you to test websites and provide feedback on user experiences. Companies value your insights and are willing to pay for them, with payouts ranging from $10 to $30 for just 30 minutes of work. With high demand for reviewers, it's a lucrative opportunity to earn money on your own terms. So if you're ready to get paid for your opinions, sign up and start reviewing with user testing. Now, I know it's natural to be skeptical about earning money online, but trust me, these websites are legitimate and offer real opportunities for income. And if you're still unsure, check out my channel's playlist, Make Money Online, for more videos. So, what are you waiting for? Explore these websites, start earning money in your spare time, and turn your side hustle dreams into a reality. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.